All right, today I'm drawing the Rockabilly Mutant Doodle. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So this one started off a little bit different. Instead of using the airbrush tool like I usually do, I broke out a pencil, and so kind of drew it up with a pencil. I don't know what I was thinking when I drew this. My first thought was kind of a caricature of Johnny Cash, so I was drawing those big kind of sad eyes, and I don't know why I drew this mutant twin on the top of his head for some reason. I don't know. But I was like, okay, so he's Rockabilly. They both have pompadours, right? A friend of mine used to call the Rockabilly pompadours butterheads. So, but hey, I'm kind of a fan. I like Charlie Feathers and I like Dwayne Eddy, and I'm a fan of Gene Vincent. All great stuff. Go check it out if you ever get a chance. But this one, I'll be honest, this is one of my earlier doodles, so I was kind of still feeling things out. But I figured, hey, he's a mutant. Let's go ahead and give him some gray skin. I was trying out these massive halftones. You may not be able to tell, but this is not 300 DPI. So if it's looking a little bit grainy, that's why. Again, from my earlier days, and was just toying around with this thing and didn't realize that you needed 300 DPI to kind of get that better line without the grittiness. But yeah, there you go. Mutant Rockabilly Doodle. Yeah. Hope you like it. I'll see you around. Thanks.